Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the bands on a Fitbit Charge 5. So let's begin. So I already have the bands installed. This is the way the screen turns on, this way. And what you have to do is just push this lever back and the band comes off. Push the bottom lever back. The band comes off. Sometimes it's a little hard. You have to like push it at the same time, but then they just clip in and they just clip out. So then same thing goes with the top band. If you have it on the right hand, you want to do it backwards. If you want to have it on your left hand, you do it this way, with the screen writing going this way and with the band being up, or with the clasp and the adjusters being on the bottom. And that is how you replace bands on a Fitbit Charge 5. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.